Jai Srimannarayana. Third sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mama yonihi mahad brahma tasmin garbham dadhamyaham संभवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत। ओम। Realize that this entire universe and all the procedures that are taking place to get the germination done is under possession of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that this entire universe and all the procedures that are taking place to get the germination done is under your possession. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 264th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma along with Balarama and his friends wandering and going around in that Vrindavanam in the forest. While doing that, Balarama at some point he got very much tired, and then Krida Parishrantam Gopotsanga Upabarhanam. Balarama kept his head on the thigh of one Gopala and he is resting, he is relaxing. At that time, Krishna Paramatma came there and Swayam Vishramayati Aryam Padasamvahanadibhihi. Krishna Paramatma has seen Balarama relaxing, resting, and then what he did is he started giving a nice soothing massage to his brother Balarama's feet. And Krishna Paramatma did so much seva to Balarama and helped him relax. After that, Gopala started playing, singing, jumping, and all those things. Krishna and Balarama looking at them and laughing, smiling at them, and also appreciating, praising them. While doing that, Krishna Paramatma also started gazing all the cows. At some point when cows were going away, Krishna Paramatma started calling those cows with beautiful names, with his melodious tone, saying that Rave Purna Chandrika Ra Gautami Ganga Rammu Bhagiradha Rajatanaya Ra Sudha Jalarasi Ra Meghabalika Rammu Chintamani Rammu Surabhi Ra Manoharini Ra Sarvamangala Ra Bharati Devi Ra Dharitri Ra Sri Mahalakshmi Ra Mandamaruti Rammu Mandakini Ra Subhangi. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma, with his most melodious, beautiful tone, giving each name to each cow and calling them with so much of love and care. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 3rd sloka. Mama yonirmahad brahma tasmin garbham dadhamyaham sambhavas sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. Mama yonirmahad brahma tasmin garbham dadhamyaham sambhavas sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.